Hello friends, I did this amazing DIY project in which I transformed old pickle jars into this beautiful decorative showpieces. So I had this jar in which previously I did some plants DIY project but it failed terribly. And now this was in no shape to be used and it had to be discarded. So I thought why not just spend a weekend and do something very creative out of it. The first jar is inspired from Warli art. It is a form of tribal art which is mostly created by tribal people staying in northern Sahyadri regions of Maharashtra. So come on the journey with me to make this Warli painting. I started by emptying the contents of all the three jars, which included lots and lots of mud. And after that, I washed the jars very thoroughly. The bottles are spick and span clean now, and to dry it even more fast, I just use my hair dryer. Now I have a measuring cup, a bowl, a spoon, and some Fevicol. I'll start by measuring 2 portions of water and mix it with 4 portions of Fevicol and mix it very thoroughly. I'll just lay some paper in the background so that my desk remains really neat and clean. Now I'll start applying Fevicol, our mixture, and put some tissue papers at regular intervals. Make 2 or 3 or even 4 layers of tissue papers one onto each other so that it sticks really well. And apply the Fevicol mixture very generously. Once it gets dried up, you'll really see the effect of multiple layers of paper on top of it. Once the tissue is applied, I'll just pat it with some portion of talcum powder so that it gets really firm and secured in its place. This is how my bottle looks like once it is dried up. I had also applied on the lid of the jar. And now start painting with your favorite colors. You can mix and match any combination of colors that you like. I wanted a very bright and colorful sort of look, hence I chose this 2 colors combination, but you can have any color of your choice. And this is how my bottle looked once it was painted. I let it dry for about 6 to 8 hours. So I decided to do this painting which I found on internet, and I'll start painting it with white color. Do it just with your free hands and you don't need any sort of other tools. And this is how it looked after first coating. Once it is completely dried, you could have even second or third layer of white coating on top of it so that the color gets secured. There's tissue paper in the background which will absorb the color, and even if you use watercolors, there's a high possibility that it gets mixed and you won't be able to see the exact white shade. So make sure you give enough time to dry the colors before applying next layers. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this art. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because over the next 2 days I'll be releasing 2 more jars, one which is based on antique painting and other on mandala art. See you tomorrow at 5 o'clock with another art which is based on antique painting. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.